everybody, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be doing another recipe with you. Last time we went creamy and indulgent with spaghetti and cream cheese. And today I thought maybe we'd balance it a bit with something lighter but just as delicious. Today we are making sauteed vegetables with cream of mushroom. Honestly, I cannot not have vegetables in a day. So lagi kong hinahanap yon, pero lagi na rin kasi parang ang vegetables natin, we have to be more creative kasi minsan nakakasawa na pagpaulit-ulit ang ating mga niluluto. So I hope this helps. And again, the ingredients are very easy. We just need 4 cloves of minced garlic. We have 1 piece of onion chopped. We have 100 grams of cleaned, deveined shrimps. We need 1/4 kilo of liempo strips. We have 1/2 kilo of kalabasa that is sliced and 1 bundle of sitaw that is cut in 1.5-inch strips. We have 3 pieces of eggplants that are sliced and 1 pack of cream of mushroom that is powdered, 1 piece of shrimp broth cube, and 2 cups of water. That's all we need. Okay? Umpisahan na natin ang pagluto ng ating gulay. Alright, so in a heated pan, we're going to put some oil. Pag mainit na siya, lalagay natin ang ating liempo. This is 1/4 kilo of liempo strips. Yan. Okay, liempo strips. Hi! Okay, we'll wait for it to brown. Pero ang gagawin ko, dadagdag ko na ang garlic and onions para maglasa na siya. I'm going to add, I'm just gonna season because I'm extra. Salt and pepper. So I'm going to add my shrimp. It's been cleaned and deveined. Let's put all the shrimps. Ang dami nito. So, habang tayo nagigisa, pag-usapan naman natin kung paano na naging September. Grabe! Parang kailan lang kami nagpasko, nag-New Year sa Disneyland Hong Kong ni Leon at saka ni Erich. Pagkatapos nun, oh my gosh, ano na tayo? August, September, my goodness. So, habang nag-shrimps na ako, maglalagay ako ng kalabasa. Sobrang bilis. So pag tinignan ko, ano na bang nagawa natin? Last year pa, 2023, hanggang May of 2025, araw-araw naman akong nangampanya kasi sumali tayo sa eleksyon. So that took away a year and a half of my life na talagang araw-araw yun nangyari. Then after that, nag-prepare na ako nung June. Nag-prepare na kami for that trip with Erich to the UK. Marami kailangan i-prepare. First of all, I had to train her to be alone. Fix yung needs niya, the papers for the visa, everything kailangan ayusin. And that really took the whole of June. Tapos buong July, oh grabe, ang dami nangyari. I also graduated college finally at 51 years old, and that happened in August. All in between the campaigning and motherhood and everything else that I had on my plate, ito na, September na. So sabi ko, grabe, hindi namin napag-isipan kung anong gagawin para sa Christmas. All I know is kailangan na naming mag-planning kung anong gagawin natin sa Make It Merry with Marjorie para sa ating vlog, series of vlogs about Christmas. I'm going to add a shrimp cube. Usually kasi, dito ko yan, sinasabay ko yan sa paggisa. Doon sa inyo na meron kayong mga Christmas tradition food, please naman share it with us, diba? You comment in our comment section. Share your recipe. Gagawin natin kasi I think I have already shared yung recipe namin ng pamilya ko with you para bang kailangan na natin ng bago. With 2 cups of water, gagawin ko na siya habang nag-aano ko dyan. Medyo hot water. I'm going to put our cream. Okay, this is our cream of mushroom soup sa ating na-powdered. Ayan, meron tayo niyan parate. Let's put na the talong. So ito na nga ang ating dilemma ngayong Pasko. Lahat ng mga anak ko halos may mga bahay-bahay na. So hindi ko alam if I should still have Christmas Eve in my home or it's about time na mag-tradisyon na sila naman ang mag-host isa-isa. This year, si Julia or si Danny. Iikot tayo. Titignan natin kung sino ang mga may magandang Christmas decor. Siyempre, ako pa rin ang magluluto. So the idea really here is ayaw natin na masyadong lumambot ang ating gulay, right? Gusto natin medyo crunchy pa. Our cream of mushroom na packet, so I'm going to put it here. And we are going to wait for it to thicken and we will season it as needed. Wow, look, ayan na siya. Kakaiba. So instead of usually the others gata, ito naman yung ating cream of mushroom soup. Wait, tikman ko muna. Oh, ayan na, thick na. Oh, sarap na. Ito, isa na naman to sa mga hindi ko na iluto ng matagal. Grabe, bubuksan ko lang pala yung baul ko. Kasi alam mo yung mga recipes ko, sulat kamay, mga ganun eh. Kaya, okay to. This is looking really, really good! Napakadaling gawin. So talagang itong ating mga vlogs na gagawin from here on will always be something na madali lang lutuin. Pero syempre pag Pasko, medyo mas complicated. Okay, I will transfer it now sa lalagyan nating maganda. Okay, here we go. So ito na, tikman na natin. Konting rice kasi kaka-lunch ko lang. Okay, we have a little bit of rice. Let's try. Siyempre, I want liempo. Yan. And shrimp. Lagyan natin ng sauce. So, kakaiba to. Let's try! Masarap. Let's add a little shrimp. Pag ako nagsa-second bite, masarap. Hindi na to third. This is my fourth bite. Kasi kakainin ko na. Kasi pagtapos ito, mag-aayos na naman ako. Ako na yung nagbablog na kinakain ko na talaga. Alright, so after 5 bites, alam ko na. It's confirmed. Masarap talaga. So that's today's recipe. I love how easy it is to turn a simple sauteed vegetables into something cozy and different. If you have tried my spaghetti recipe from the last vlog, maybe this is the perfect follow-up to, syempre, balance things out. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite way is to cook and eat your vegetables. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't get to miss the next recipes. See you. Bye!